Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn PLSQL cursors. First of all, we will take a overview. What are cursors? In what scenarios it is being used? Then we will go to our SQL developer and see how can we write the code. And I will put all this code into the description. You can take it from there also. Okay, so first of all, what are PLSQL cursors? PLSQL cursors are a pointer to result a set of SQL query. Okay, so it allows us to process multiple rows, okay, at a time. So like you have seen the variables, we can use variables for a single data at a time, and we can use PLSQL cursor to uh, multiple rows, process multiple rows and write down code for multiple rows. And there are two types of cursors: implicit cursor, explicit cursor. This one is being asked in the interview. So implicit cursor are being used by Oracle single row queries, and explicit cursor are being used by users, and it can handle multiple row queries. Okay, so I will give you a broad overview how in what scenario PLSQL cursor is being used. So like I got one requirement from the client to process 300 rows and update that 300 rows into one employees table. In this scenario we can use Oracle PLSQL cursor. Okay, so I will switch the tab to our SQL developer. So we are here in our SQL developer. First of all, I have created one table with three columns. As you can see, employee ID, first name, salary. Then I have put a set of data inside that with the insert query. After this, we will check all data is there inside the table or not. Six columns are there, six rows are there, and three columns are there. Okay, so now we are going to fetch the employee salary and give it as a output of our code. Okay, so we are going to fetch a salary of the employee, and then we will put that as a output. So for this we have to write down first set server output, otherwise our output couldn't be displayed. So for this we have wrote set server output on, then declare. We have declared two variables inside this. One variable is salary, second one is name. So inside name we have put John. As you can see over here, we have one employee with name of John which is having 50,000 salary. So we will fetch the salary and print it in the dbms output put line. Okay, so after this is the cursor syntax. So first of all we have to write cursor, then we have to put the cursor name C1 salary, then is. After that, this one is dynamic, we can write down anything over here. Select query, any select query over here. So we have wrote down select salary from emp id, where first name equal to vemp name. So vemp name is having John inside it. So this query will filter the salary of the John, and then it will put that value into the cursor inside the cursor. Okay, after this we will start our begin execution section. Inside that we have wrote cursor open cursor name. Okay, open C1 salary. So C1 salary is our cursor name. After this, fetch C1 salary into the v salary. So we are fetching the C1 salary, which is John's salary, inside our v salary. So we have fetched our salary through this code. After this, these are the cursor attributes. This one is used to close the attribute when the close the cursor when the data is not found. So there are three types of attributes, cursor attributes. This one I have used inside my code. So after this, if the value is being not found, in that scenario it will give output 4 times 9. After this we have wrote close cursor name, okay, then semicolon, then dbms output, then end. dbms output I have wrote down employee salary is, then I gave some space, and then v salary is having John's salary, okay. Now I will run this code and we can see the output. John's salary is 50,000, employee salary is 50,000 I have printed, okay. So like this you can write down your own code also. I will put this code inside our description. That's all for today. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye.